Shepherds and teachers flossing their teeth on a cold winter's night. Someone said, sheesh, I gotta get some hash for the clash of tomorrow, but I need to borrow $1 from you. Yeah, you do. Need to give me that money. Come on, honey. And I don't mean Sue. I'm not that much a fool all the time. Got whiskey in the lime, got eyebrows in the sun, and nostrils with the gun. You can shoot it out your left ear and then put it in your right eyeball. Yeah, you can. Who's the man, or who's the woman who buckles your shoes? Buckle skidoo, buckle wadada, tome paprada, Malibu, Malibu, Hollywood, una ute, Malibu, Hollywood, oh, Hollywood, Hollywood, oh, Hollywood, hey, Hollyita, una wita, in a wuta, in a way, and walk. And meta una meta ikalapa ilapa eleo bo elewi ha ni elikuta ulabuta ijota anyway. This is a cell phone. I use it to text people like Ryan Andrews and my mom. Yeah.